Hi, I'm Lynn Murphy from Key Innovative Business Solutions. I just participated in a workshop that Angel Marie Monticelli presented on mindset and energizing your life. And she was so engaging. We're all doing things virtually now, and it's so much harder to really get a group engaged when you're presenting virtually. And she nailed it. She kept us engaged, she kept us energized, and she gave us such incredible information that things that we can start using right away. Very important things to do in our lives to get rid of some of the negativity that's going on right now and to live our lives energetically with a mindset that we're going to be successful. I loved the way she presented. She is so genuine. She is so energetic. She's so full of life and she's so intuitive about what's going on with people. Loved her presentation. If you're thinking of engaging her to do a virtual workshop, definitely do that. And in person, she's just going to light up the room. She's going to have everybody on fire in the room. But virtually, she's an amazing presenter. I've been to a lot of presentations virtually, and some of them are just boring, but not Angel's. Angel kept us going. So please think about using Angel Marie Monticelli for your next virtual presentation. She'll rock it.